This is a power supply. Now, power supplies usually come with a single channel or up to 4 channels that I've seen. This particular brand is Keysight E3236233A, and this is how they work. Depending on the output, so you have output of channel 1, which is here. This is the output of channel 2, and the things you have to know is setting the voltage and the current. Now let's say that I want to change the voltage for channel 1, right? Now here I just put voltage, and then now I'm going to put, let's say 15, well, I'm in current right now. There you go, I set it correctly. Now this toggles it back and forth. I put 15, and then you have to press enter. Now the output of channel 1 is set to 15 volts. If I wanted to change the amount of current on channel 1, I put, let's say 10 amps. You press enter. Now I have a total of 10 volts and 10 amps that can come out of this channel. By setting these are my limits. So this channel will go up to 15 volts, and the maximum amount of current that can come out of this channel is this one. Now notice that I have nothing hooked up, but I still have some current going on here. This is normal with all of those supplies. On the regulation side here of the output, you'll always have some leakage current. That's what that's called. Another cool thing about these supplies is that their grounds are separated. So this negative port is not the same as this negative port, as you would think. And let's say that you want to power something that is greater than the limit. So here, as you can see, the limit for this output, it goes up to 30 volts. So that's how much each channel can supply, 30 volts. But if I want to have something that's, let's say 40 volts or 48 volts in my case, I can actually put them in series. So you can jump this negative to this positive, set one channel to 24, do it here to 24, and set the other channel to 24. So now when I turn on both channels at the same time, I'm going to have a total voltage of 48 volts across this probe and this probe, which means that now this is my positive and this will be my negative or ground rather than this one. So just remember, you can also do that.